navigation, Bluetooth, backup camera, sport package. With a powerful 280 horsepower V6 and sport-tuned suspension, this FX35 performs more like a sports car than an SUV. When the roads start to get slick, you have an intelligent all-wheel drive system, with 4-wheel traction control, along with stability control to keep everything pleasant. In beryllium on black leather, this FX is absolutely gorgeous, and you will have one awesome color combination. Other features include LED tail lights, dual-zone climate control, navigation, intelligent key, intelligent cruise control, power and heated seats, power adjustable steering wheel and gauge cluster, Bose sound system, xenon lights, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather, and much more. There is no other SUV in the world like an FX, and all it will take is one quick drive to find out for yourself. Stop in today to take it out for a spin, and please call us with any questions. You can also text message us anytime, or call our pre-owned direct line, at 253-202-2978. Go to www.infinitiontacoma.com to see lots of high-resolution photos of this Infiniti FX35, or to live chat with us. Want to view our mobile website? Text message Infiniti1 to 50123. You can now find us on Facebook, Twitter, and join our blog at www.infinitiworld.com. Price does not include tax, title, license, documentation fees, or LoJack theft recovery system.